Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tip on the new colour options that KeyShot has to offer. Previously, you were able to access different Pantone colours from the Colour tab in KeyShot to use in your scenes. But now KeyShot also offers the ability to use colours from the Coloro system. Coloro is an alternative colour matching system that provides a complete library of colours which can be used across all materials and all industries. Under the Colour tab in KeyShot, you will find the Coloro group at the top of the list. You can apply these to the parts in your scene the same way you could with any of the other colour options, by simply dragging and dropping onto the model. There are 3,500 different colours available in the KeyShot Coloro library, and more are available to download from the Coloro website. Coloro uses a predefined colour logic to name their files, where the first 3 digits represent the hue, the next 2 represent the lightness, and the final 2 numbers represent the chroma value. They also all include the corresponding lab and standard RGB values so the colours remain consistent if final renders are used in other software. That's it for the quick tip on the new Coloro colour system in KeyShot. Thank you for listening.